Welcome to the second part of our Harakeke series with the Year 12 and 13s and me, Matua Rawari. On this video, we will follow the students through softening, stripping, boiling and dyeing their harakeke. Softening is done by running the harakeke firmly across the blunt blade or stone. Stripping is done by running the harakeke through a bladed comb. As you can see here, the blades on this comb need sharpening. To help with the softening process, we also boil the flax for a few minutes. This also preps the harakeke for the next step, which is dyeing. The dye is added to a large pot of water and the harakeke are submerged until we get the desired colour. Once the harakeke is all dyed, we move on to the next steps, which is preparing the wooden boards and wooden strips that our tukutuku panels will be assembled on. Catch that and more on the next part of our series.